Bridging the Age, Youth Action for Educational Equity. Hello, distinguished judges and fellow makers. I'm Dita Dwi Rahmadani. We are currently living in an era where technology defines our success. But have we ever stopped to look beyond our comfortable classroom? Well, we in cities like Yogyakarta enjoy high-speed internet and modern facilities. Our brothers and sisters in the treaty areas, frontier, outermost, and remote are still struggling to find a stable signal or even proper textbooks. Is this the quality education we promise for our nation's future? Today, I want to talk about how we, as students, can bridge this gap together with the government. The inequality between urban education and the treaty region is not just a distant problem. It is an opportunity gap. The government has initiated programs like digitalization of schools, but facilities alone are not enough. In many remote areas, there is a lack of human capital to manage their resources. Many teachers are overwhelmed, and students lack the digital literacy to compete in the global market. As a management student, I see this is an inefficiency in our national development. We cannot achieve the 2045 Golden Indonesian vision if half of our population is left behind in the dark. So, what can we do? We shouldn't just wait for the government to act. We must be the catalyst. I propose a synergy called the Student Government Collaborative Circle. First, through the Merdeka Belajar scheme, we must encourage more students to take internship in treaty areas, not just to teach, but to build management system for their local schools. Second, we can utilize our organizational network, like the BEM, to create digital mentorship programs. We can donate our skills, our modules, and our time to mentor students in remote areas via offline recorded materials if the internet is an issue. It's about creating a sustainable impact, ensuring that every tablet or laptop sent by the government is used to its maximum potential. Distinguished judges, education is not a privilege. It is a fundamental right. But right without action are just dreams. I believe that our intelligence as university students is not for us to keep, but to be shared. Let's work hand in hand with the government, bringing our energy and innovation to the farthest corners of Indonesia. Because a nation's greatness is not measured by the height of its skyscrapers in the city, but by the quality of education in its most remote villages. I'm Dita Dwi Rahmadani, and I'm ready to take action for educational equity. Thank you.